All right, guys, welcome to 7.4 day one. We're on page 26. Now we're actually going to set up a problem ourselves and then use our elimination, substitution, or graphing methods to solve. Some people get a little worried about word problems. Don't worry, I have some strategies for you here. All right, so first thing, you read the problem, and you have to figure out what X and Y stand for. So in this problem, they're talking about fixing a car. So this guy charges $11 plus $65 per hour for labor. And then this shop charges $40 plus $80 per hour for labor. And it wants to know after how many hours will the costs be the same. So that's why I chose to let X be the number of hours and Y be the total cost. Because depending on the number of hours, the cost will change. All right, now let's set up our equations for Mike and Amy. All right, let's do Mike first. So Mike's shop costs, so Y equals, it costs $100 plus $65 per hour, and X stands for the number of hours, so it's going to be 65X. All right, now Amy. Amy's cost, so Y equals $40 plus 80 per hour, so 80X. And now that's our system, right? So we just created it. Now in step 2, you actually have to solve it. So I would do substitution on this one, because if I know that Y is this, then I'm going to sub this into Y right here. So we're going to do substitution. So this goes into Y, and now we're at 100 plus 65X equals 40 plus 80X. And that's what you guys have to solve. All right, so we draw our wall. You want to get all the x's to one side, all the constants to the other side. I'm going to subtract the 65x over here. And then I'm at 100 equals 40 plus 15x. And if my x's are on the right, then I'm going to subtract the 40 to this side, to the left. And then I'm at 60 equals 15x. And then divide by 15, divide by 15. And what is that? 60 divided by 15 is 4. So x equals 4. So the question's asking, after how many hours? So we just got 4. Okay, so the answer is 4 hours. And you can't see that, so let me slide this down. So the final answer is 4 hours. All right, let's try another one. Number 2. Now this time I do not tell you guys what X and Y are. So go ahead and think about that first. So this problem's about saving money, but then spending money on comics. So we got Tommy and we got Jenna. Saving money, but she's saving money doing chores. After how many weeks will they have the same amount of money? So X is going to be the number of weeks, and Y is going to be money. Because depending on the weeks, they have more or less money. All right, let's talk about Tommy. So Tommy has, so Y equals, Tommy has $500, but he's spending, so minus 25 a week, so 25X, because X stands for the number of weeks. All right, now Jenna. Jenna has $200, so Y equals, she's starting with 200, but look, she's saving $15 a week, so plus 15x. She's saving money by doing chores. All right, well, there is our system. And now I would do substitution again, because if y is this, then we can sub this into y down here. So we have 500 minus 25x equals 200 plus 15x. And that should be pretty easy to solve. All right, so on this one, let's see, I'm going to add the 25x to the right, but you could do it different. And I'm left with 500 equals 200 plus 40x. And if my x's are on the right, then the constants have to go to the left. So I'm going to subtract 200 over. And we're at 300 equals 40x. And then let's see, if you have a calculator, what's 300 divided by 40? Hang on, let me grab it. 300 divided by 40 is 7.5. So x is 7.5. Oh, sorry, you can't see. All right, so the question, answering the question, after how many weeks will they have the same amount of money? It would be 7.5 weeks, or 7.5 weeks. All right, nice job, guys. There are some problems on the next 2 pages where you can set it up and solve it again to practice.